This is Jazz Manifold from New Zealand. They sent me some t-shirt. Oh, hey. Oh, just got delivery from Jazz. Let's open it up. Woo! They sent me some t-shirt, Magic Note Power. Oh, just ordered a version 3. This is Jazz Manifold from New Zealand. I got one on my drift car 180 and they just released the version 3 and he was nice enough to let me know the last set. I just have to copy it. Just upgrade. Thank you, Jazz. Cheers. I'll be making good notes. So I have a version 1 Jazz Manifold right now. This is the version 1 Jazz Mani. This is the new version 3 Jazz Mani. Can you see? It got a little bigger tube. Ow. Than before. It's a lot skinnier than it was a lot skinnier. So I guess it got better flow. Yeah, it still has the tone and still has the response. They made a billet collector. I'm planning to get Nismo 550 injectors, R35 MAF sensor, airflow sensor, and put this version 3 Jazz Manifold and crank up the boost a little bit more and get tuned by Oka-chan. Probably some of you guys know the Yashio factory, the SR master. I'm gonna get ECU needs a tune and he's gonna put data in. I'm gonna do that before Ebisu Matsuri to get a little bit more power. I'm excited to hear this version 3 manifold. Thanks again, Jazz Mani, for hooking me up. I'll drift hard and make good tone in Japan. What do you guys think? How my drift missile coming out? Even though outside's tweaked and smashed and trash, great looking engine bay. でしょ？
それもいらない。
なんで？
言ってるからいいの。
あ、そうなの？ Stay tuned for action in this SIL 80 drift missile. I'm gonna shred harder, trying to practice more and more. Seat time. I gotta wash car today. I gotta wash this thing. I was trying to sell it on Instagram, but no one seemed to want it, so I posted up in Japan. Japanese elderly guy actually bought it, so he's coming to pick it up tomorrow. Gonna wash it before he comes, clean it up, and yours too? Lina's car? If we still have it, probably not, but maybe. This car probably, I never showed you guys this, maybe I have last year, but I had this for like over 3 years. But this has like full GTR look, ECR 33. The buyer sent me this wheel and tire to put it on. And I just registered this in Japan, so I had to do work. I didn't film it because I didn't know if I was gonna put it in the video, but I had to go through this shaken, which is inspection, so I had to raise it and like do all kinds of stuff to pass in registration, and just got plate and registered yesterday. Well, let's wash it. running out of sunlight, but I'm almost done. What do you guys think of R32 wheels? I actually never really seen it on 33. This is R32 GTR wheel, DNR 32 wheel. It's 16 inch, but kind of go with it. Not my style, but this old man loves it. He said he used to have R33 10 years ago, and he said he wanna get one and drive one again before he dies. That's what he told me. And then he said he had a Nismo Arrows, and then he kept it for 10 years in his storage, and he said he's gonna put it on. Pretty sick. Well, he already came and checked out the car like a week ago, and he like fell in love with this car, he said. So I'm pretty sure he'll make it really cool. Well, I just finished washing, and I'll see you guys in the morning. And I'll see you guys in the morning. See the new owner's reaction. He already in love with it. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
わかりました。わかりました。早急にはい申しますので。
So the buyer's here. He's already gave me cash. He's gonna take it. Well, that was a good investment. I bought this for like 3 years ago, and now I sold it. But new car coming soon. I'm super stoked. It's an all-wheel drive car. The first all-wheel drive car. 네. 네.
楽しみだね.
진짜. He's happy.
ありがとうございました。
Owner was happy. Wish I could have get a thumbnail with him, but he didn't want to show his face on YouTube. Me and Lino gonna go pick up a new car. This is gonna be my new inventory, and I gonna enjoy a little bit too. It's all-wheel drive. If you guys need any cars, parts from Japan, hit me up on Instagram, Kota. I'm more than happy to help you guys get what you need and what you want from Japan. And if it's like newer car, I can store too. My yard is getting pretty packed, but I still got more than a couple of spots left. So let me know, hit me up anytime. I'll see you guys in the next video with the new car. It has a restoration, so me and Lino gonna go take train and a bus. It's really far away, and drive it back. It's like 8-10 hour drive. So we're gonna go get some good food, sightseeing a little bit, and mob back a new car. Maybe a new daily. Well, see you guys in next video.